My name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens, of course using smart technology gain. Today we're going to talk about our Super Bowl packages. Sorry we're just now getting to this because we had a lot on our plate with the new flat wallpaper screens that are coming out and some other things we're working on. I have a few other projects that I'm working on offline from YouTube. Alright, so yes, we have Super Bowl packages coming out and I'm just showing you our environment, how much light is physically hitting the screen. I want you to see exactly that you don't have to be subjected to a dark or shadow-like environment. Like I said, if you look at my environment, it's nice and bright. This is the way it should be. This is fantastic for entertaining my guests when they come over to watch the Super Bowl. And yes, those are my sloths. I have two of them over there. It's my big sloth. I like the sloth. For some reason, I just like them. Ever since I saw Zootopia, I love sloths. So I actually bought that one for, I think, $100, the big one. And then I have that one over there I got from the zoo for 75. But anyway, let's move on from there. This is not about sloths. Okay, so two of the kits will be available. We'll have one kit will come with a 1 gallon. It'll come with a surface that'll be 10 by 12 and LED lights to light up and support your team. Well, you know, it's only going to be 2 teams in the Super Bowl, but you know I'm getting that. But anyway, so also too, it will come with screen paint free choice, which means you can have a choice in color. Basically having the TI-47, you can have the Eclipse, the Eclipse Immerse 4K Cinema, which is the black screen paint, or you can have the dark slate. So that will be a 3-color option. Also too, it also too will come with free shipping. We have another one that will have the same similar kit, but it will come with a projector, a short throw projector, much like the one I'm working with right here. Alright, so let's begin. We'll take our screen off blank mode. Alright, over here, and remove the blank mode. Alright, now, one of the things I love about the TI-47 or any of the screen paint we develop, you don't have to worry about being subjected to a dark environment. I can't see my friends and family coming over here to enjoy the game and I have to be in complete darkness, or I have to have the entire environment in a shadow-like effect, which I don't want. I want my friends and family to be able to walk around to the kitchen and the dining room and be able to see my screen at any angle and not worry about the screen washing out or fading. Alright, so let's begin. Now anywhere I go, this screen is going to look fantastic. If I got guests coming down the stairs, this is what they're seeing when they're coming down the stairs. They can sit here and watch the screen from here. Now, as you can see, we don't have to be in a dark environment just to watch the game. Any angle. I wouldn't suggest having direct sunlight hitting the screen. These screens are not designed for direct sunlight. But as you can see, in the environment that I'm walking around in, I can be anywhere in this environment. This screen is going to look fantastic. This is what my guests are going to see come Super Bowl. This is the TI-47. Now here I am in my dining room over here, in the kitchen over there. I know I got to take down that Christmas tree. I'm in the dining room and my guests can sit right over here and they can see the screen with no problem. I can grab a chair, I can sit right here and I can watch the game. It's no problem whatsoever. Now the projector that's going to come with that kit will be a short throw ViewSonic projector. It does do 235.1, 1610 and 16:9. So with that screen size being 10 by 12, 10 feet high and 12 feet wide, you'll be able to build a pretty good sized screen. Actually, you'll be able to build if you decide you want to do a 235.1, which I have right here, and 168 inch, you could do that with that surface. I'll come over here behind my sloths. Anywhere in this room, this is what my screen is going to be able to do. Now you got to ask yourself, why would you have your friends and family in the dark to watch the game when you can do it in a fully lit environment without worry of your screen washing out? And you can see the condensed lighting right there and there hitting the screen. Anywhere I stand, the screen looks incredible. Over by the fireplace. So my guests can sit, think about it, my guests can stand anywhere in my house and see the screen in a fully lit environment. You got screens up there that'll cost you $4,000 to $5,000, and when you turn them on an angle, they turn dark. Like a boss. And consider the fact my guests can stand anywhere in this house and see the screen. Also too, this is fantastic if you're going to be using this for your sports bar, come Super Bowl or any sport event. This is going to be fantastic. And like I said, we're going to have two kits. One's going to come with the screen paint, 1 gallon of screen paint, a blackout cloth that's 10 by 12, LED lights, and it will come with a color choice, which means you can choose any of the 3 screen paints that you choose. That'll be a free option. The other kit will come with the same thing, but differently. It will come with a ViewSonic short throw projector that does 235.1. And there's the projector right there I'm using. That's my short throw right there. This is DLP and does 3D. Around 3,200 lumens. The screen is 168 inch, 235.1. So I can go anywhere I want in this environment, and this screen will look fantastic. Makes no difference. Okay, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. For those of you that are curious what the screen looks like with the lights down, I'll show you. I'm hoping this is not the setting for your Super Bowl party, but just to give you an idea. But this is what I prefer to have. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. The new Super Bowl sale starts today. Thank you all for your time.